Greetings fellow 50p collectors, Coin Snatcher here, and we have a Sunday afternoon update on the 50p collection. So the coins we see in front of us are the 1979 Edge Inscribed 50p's. We have a pile of AA with the writing going the correct way up so you can read it when the Queen's head is facing up. We have a pile where the die mark is AA, but the writing is upside down, so you'd need to flip the coin over to be able to read it properly. And then we have the slightly more elusive AB die mark with the writing the correct way up. I've only managed to get 2 of those so far. And then we have the even more elusive AB die mark with the writing inverted, so basically just upside down. But of course we have another addition to this little collection today, and if we have a little look there, we can see the obverse on it. It's a pretty nice coin, this one. Actually, it's quite shiny. Whenever it arrived, I was quite chuffed that it was in such good condition. If we pop it round to the other side, and as ever, if we have a little zoom in on it, we can just see the AA die mark at the front of the Viking longship. It's settled in the waves, so it is a little bit tricky to see, but once you've had a look at a few of these, they are pretty easy to come by. And if we have a little look, we'll see that the writing on this is QE Queen Elizabeth II, and the writing is upside down on this one. So that means out of the four piles of coins, this one belongs to the second pile. So if I pop this on with the other coins, and hopefully we won't have the same edge inscription twice. So if we have a little look, we can see the top one is QE2, the one underneath is HOM, the one underneath that is IOM for Isle of Man, and then we have the date at the bottom, which is 1979. So there's 7 possible variations of this coin, and I've managed to get 4 of them so far, so that's really good. But if we have another little look at the edge inscription on this coin, we can see that this one is what's classified as an offset inscription. So it's quite noticeable there when you look at Royal that the writing is more over to the left. There's a larger space over to the right. Very obvious there when you look at Visit. Visit is right over to the left hand side. There's a big space to the right of it before you get to the next side of the coin. Same with IOM, that's right over to the left hand side, and same with July. So you could collect, if you wanted, a whole set of just the offset variety of this coin, but I'm quite happy at the minute to put the offset variety and just classify it as correct way up or inverted in opposed to the Queen's head. So we pop that back up with the other ones, and we can see that we're making good progress now. It's just a case of tracking down, maybe a mission in itself, the last 3 coins to make up that pile. We've got 3 in this one, so there's 4 to go there. There's 5 to go on this one, and there's 6 to go on the AB die mark with the writing inverted. So all fun and games when it comes to looking at the edge inscriptions on the 1979 Isle of Man Viking ship 50p. That's it for now. Peace and love. Coin Snatcher out.